I'm so excited today to show you what I have in this box. It's a box of happiness, and this really is my happiness. So, you may or may not know, I am a candle addict. I will smell candles at any store I'm at, but my favorite is Bath and Body Works. You can see the gingham, you know. They had a sale last week. They are the best. And look, it came with a coupon for 20% off your next order. Can't wait for that. I hope this is the first time I've shipped it since I got a broken candle. Usually I try to go pick them up in the store, but they had a sale last week where you could get a 20% off the total, and then I think the candles were maybe 12 off of that. But anyway, they wound up being $10.50 each, which is way cheaper than their full price of $24.95. So these are some of the new candles for summer. This is the Waikiki Beach Coconut. I had already sampled one of these before and decided that I really liked it, and you know how they are. Sometimes you really have to stock up if you like something. This also has like the tropical lid. It has a coconut smell. It says it's tropical white coconut, saltwater breezes, and sun-bleached woods. There is some kind of a little bit of a smoky flavor to it, scent to it that I like. So I got another one of those. I actually got several different types this time. I got more of my favorite vanilla birch. I love these. They kind of come and go. They have been gone for a while, and I was having to resort to ordering them on eBay, but they've been back for a few months now, so when they go on sale, and especially $10 a candle, I get a few more. I love these. It's a vanilla woodsy, but it has a little bit of a sweet perfumey scent. Sometimes for these sales, they'll bring back old ones. This was Fresh Balsam. I love this one for the fall. Love that smell. It's like a Christmas tree smell, but I was out of it, and sometimes they're hard to find, whatever. So I went ahead and got another one. Vanilla coconut. I haven't smelled this one, I don't think. I think I smelled it in the store, but I haven't burned this one yet. I love vanilla and I love coconut, so I'm really hoping that one turns out to be one that I like. I also got, this is from their aromatherapy line, Relax, Lavender and Cedarwood. I believe I've had one of these before, but it's been a while. I like each of those individual scents, so I figured it's worth a try. I also got another of their, these are really dusty, I'm kind of surprised. I got another one of their aromatherapy, the Love, Rose and Vanilla. This is one of my favorites. I love the rose and the vanilla in that one. And there's one more. Yeah, this is one I don't think I've tried. Gosh, these are super dusty. From the aromatherapy, Comfort, Vanilla and Patchouli. I've never smelled this one. I think I'm gonna like it though. I really like, there's the patchouli candle that I don't even remember when I got it, but it was quite a while ago, and I love to burn that one, and I totally used it up, and then that one hasn't been around back. So when I saw that they had this patchouli and vanilla one, I had to grab it just in case I liked that one. So I have, let's see, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different scents, but 2 of them are the same because I love it so much. And now I can use 20% off of my online, which will help. I prefer to go get them in store and just bring them home, but sometimes I don't discover the sale till late at night and I don't want to have to go out, so I'll go ahead and order it online, and then having a 20% off is nice to help with the shipping. That's it for today. I can't wait to burn these, and I'll let you know what I think. Let me know what you think about those.